Strategically located just 25 minutes from the capital city, a short drive to the Thika superhighway will get you to one of the most prime pieces of property in the country. Kabati town is a hidden gem ripe for investment. Surrounded by the lush and scenic views of the Chania Falls and Del Monte pineapple plantations, the location is a sight to behold. The welcoming and friendly locals coupled with social amenities such as Thika High School, the Mount Kenya University, Thika Level 5 Hospital, Thika Industrial Area, Protogas Plant and the Blue Post Hotel among others, make Kabati a comfortable and hospitable town. The property is secure and easily accessible, only approximately 500 meters from tarmac roads. Electricity is readily available on the site, as is adequate access to water, suitable for irrigating its rich fertile soils. An eighth of an acre is available for 1.7 million, half an acre for 6 million, and 1 acre going for 11.5 million respectively. For more information, contact Alice on +254 715 308 447 or Stephen on +447 578 793 477.